Oh, come on, she's gonna feed us.
I make it a rule to never take food from psychos. What's to eat today? I said roll over!
A little creepy. Dang, this is bad. It's been nice knowing you. Need your help to take back the park.
This park has everything we need.
But the mayor wants...
Park! That's not good.
Don't you see? We're all animals. And we need to look... Actually, we might be tiny, but together we're giants.
Oh, but